Hello. So, I made this guy a little while ago, just from odds and sods. It's a trader. Roll the B footage of me finding him. And this weird sour candy thing. It's looking very unfinished because I'm basing this on a poster I saw in the city. A band poster. But I'm going to have a crack at using some Sculpey, which I got as a present ages ago. But I've heard that you can set Sculpey with a heat gun. I don't know if that's true, but we're going to find out. I don't know. This could be a horrible mistake. But this is mostly held together with screws, so it shouldn't affect the connections. Here's the poster for reference. Itchy. I'm glad that was blocked by the guy. Yeah. So I've got to do his cowl and his cape and fix up his feet. And maybe I'll even try and make some weapons. Some weapons for his little arms. This could go horribly wrong. Let's do it in time-lapse. Do you guys like time-lapse? Just let me know in the comments below if you want like long drawn-out videos or if you want time-lapse. Time-lapse is so much easier for me. Because time-lapse is less likely to overheat my camera for some reason. Don't know why. You're watching the Lowercase channel. Lowercase creates. Sometimes I do. Did a little or big foreshadowing come across the screen when I was talking about the heat gun earlier? Yeah. Legs stayed on. Melted the absolute crap out of the skull. It's got like a booty now. Booty. But it's working. And as long as I'm very, very careful and less gung-ho, I think we'll be alright. know I said, oh, it won't affect the the glue, the hot heat gun. I forgot his eyes are hot glue wibs that I picked off the table and stuck on there. So his eyes are a little bit deformed now as well. I'm going to run super glue over everything at some point after I've finished to try and stabilize it all up. But, you know. But what I am going to do, I'm going to reduce the amount of polymer clay I'm using. I'm going to build an armature out of tinfoil. I've already sort of crush bashed this thing because he needs his cape. And he also needs a hat of sorts. He needs an animal up here. So I'm going to give him this. I'm going to not hot glue. I'm going to super glue this on and do a bit more work with some foil. And then I'm going to very lightly skin everything in the sculpting. Wish me luck. Up. Just needs a sand and a paint. And to fix the eye just there. That's a bit cooked. I'll see what it looks like with a bit of primer on it. Next time. This needs to dry and I need to run away. Ooh, look at my watch. I'm gonna go. Until I'm cutting this close. Judging by the date. Oops.